It's 9 at night, you're tired, and you ask Professor Pi for the answer. Instead, you get another question. It feels like the tutor is just being awkward. It isn't. That refusal to hand over the answer is the single most useful thing it does, and by the end of this, you'll see why it's actually on your side.
Here's what's really going on. When someone just gives you the answer, your brain files it like a fact in a book, and it's gone by tomorrow. But when you struggle to work it out and almost get there, your brain treats it like something you figured out and stores it properly. Copying feels faster tonight. Working it out is what sticks for the test.
So when you're genuinely stuck, don't keep typing, "Tell me the answer." Ask for the next hint instead. The latter escalates fast. Level 1 asks a diagnostic question to find what you already know. Level 2 names the concept. Level 3 nudges the next step. And Level 4 gives you a worked twin, the same method with different numbers, so you finish your own. Most people get unstuck by Level 2 or 3. Then write your next line. Don't just stare.
And this isn't just one tutor being stubborn. Every professor in the faculty works the same way, whether it's maths, English, biology, chemistry, or physics. Question first, hints, not answers, and you always do the last step, so there's never an answer sitting there to copy. The point isn't to slow you down, it's to make the learning actually yours.
And before any of that, Mentor checks how you're actually doing. Green means you've got energy, so push on. Amber means tired, so keep it light tonight. Red means rest, because a tired brain can't lock anything in. Pushing through exhaustion isn't brave, it's wasted effort.
So the next time your tutor won't just tell you, remember it's handing you the method instead of the moment. That's the bit that shows up on test day. We're now inviting our first 100 founding member families, and you're warmly welcome to come and learn with us.
Learn more at atutors.me.